Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone runs Android 8. 0 or later, and Android Auto is enabled. Plug a reliable USB-C cable into the Brezza's USB port or choose wireless pairing if your trim supports it. Turn the ignition to accessory or on so the head unit powers up and enable Bluetooth and location on your phone. Once done, unlock the phone and accept any prompts. This initial handshake lets the car and phone discover each other and start the connection flow. Now you authorize and configure the connection. When Android Auto prompts appear on your phone, grant permissions for notifications, contacts, and location so navigation and calls work. Make sure to allow projection. On the Brezza screen, choose Android Auto as the source. The unit will request access to phone data. Accept to proceed. Once connected, open the Android Auto app to customize visible apps and voice assistant options. This ensures your preferred maps, music, and messages appear, and that voice commands route correctly. Finish by verifying functionality. Start navigation, play audio, and use voice commands to confirm everything responds. If the connection drops or apps won't load, restart both your phone and the Brezza head unit first, then try a different high-quality USB cable because many failures trace to cables. Make sure battery saver is off, Android Auto and Phone OS are updated, and check for any available Brezza infotainment updates. If problems persist, repair via Bluetooth or consult your dealer for firmware diagnostics. This often resolves stubborn compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.